24 Master Bedroom Lighting Ideas. Unless your bedroom is extremely small, it needs more than one source of light. Various combinations of bedside lamps, floor lamps, ceiling fixtures, and mood lighting make it easy to read in bed, get dressed and undressed, enjoy romance, and relax. In this gorgeous green and brown bedroom from interior designer Toby Fairley, a stunning chandelier and two small bedside wall sconces set the lighting scene. A lighting fixture doesn't have to be fancy to provide a powerful punch of design to the room. Case in point, the drum lampshade on the ceiling fixture in this bedroom from Toby Fairley and Associates is simple in shape, but it holds its own against the many other strong touches in the bedroom thanks to its bold black and white stripes. Track lighting is more often used in the living room or kitchen than in the bedroom, but it can have a great dramatic effect when used to spotlight artwork, as in this contemporary bedroom from Sack Designs. Every bed needs some form of a bedside lamp. You can match your lamps, as Jana Beck Design did in this colorful bedroom, or choose mismatched lamps for a more casual style. As long as the lamps are fairly close in size, they will look fine. This stunning light fixture combines two popular trends, crystal chandeliers and hanging drum fixtures. The contemporary bedroom is from Shop House Design. This colorful bedroom has an eclectic, retro feel, in no small part thanks to the bright pink hanging pendant light fixture. Lampshades are a great way to add a shot of color or pattern to your bedroom. Emily Henderson Interiors decorated this pretty space. A wooden chandelier is a masculine take on the traditional design. Here, Tracery Interiors uses multiple wooden accents to set a serenely masculine style that most women would love just as well. Your bedside lamp is one of the easiest ways to add a pop of color, texture, pattern, or contrast to your bedroom. Here, Kelly Rogers Interiors chose a turquoise faux dog lamp to top a bright yellow nightstand. The contrast adds so much life to the room. A ceiling fan keeps your bedroom cool and adds a hefty dose of style when you combine traditional style with sparkling crystals. This lovely bedroom is from the blog The Good Stuff. Here, a contemporary bedroom from D2 Interiors shows off two fantastic lighting designs, the modern brass chandelier and the stylishly sleek swing arm sconces. The large drum shade on the semi-flush ceiling fixture in this bedroom from Beach Glass Interior Design matches the shades on the bedside lamps, bringing a touch of harmony to this glamorous and stylish bedroom. Notice how Atmosphere Interior Design worked multiple light sources around this contemporary bedroom. Two bedside lamps, a ceiling fixture, and a floor lamp are spaced around the room to provide plenty of light for every need. One of the easiest ways to save space on your nightstand is to use pendant lights in place of bedside lamps, as demonstrated in this glamorous bedroom from Jamie Rose Interiors. This serene bedroom from Martha O'Hara Interiors shines light from the unexpected touch of a Capiz shell flush mount fixture. So pretty. Why settle for a boring bedside lamp when you could have an owl? Or a monkey, horse, seashell, pine tree? There's a lamp out there for whatever you fancy. Here, blog Darling Darlene adds a touch of fun to an orange and white room. Glass pendant lights shed maximum light, making them great for use where you want to read or dress. Here, Jude Interior Design adds a traditional style to a man's bedroom with simple glass shades. Matching nightstands and wall sconces lend a somewhat formal feel to this lovely bedroom from Gordon James Design. Every bedroom deserves a comfortable chair, and if that chair has a tall floor lamp beside it, like this lovely room from Krista Home Design, you've created a wonderful spot to sit and read, or merely sit and think. Such a pretty bedroom. One of the most common types of bedroom lighting is a flush mount ceiling fixture, as shown in the bedroom from Studio McGee shown here. While flush mount fixtures have something of a reputation for being boring or unattractive, a well-chosen fixture can be quite lovely, as this one proves. This small bedroom from Atelier Noël gets a lot of natural light during the day, but at night, the owner can flood the room with light by turning on the flush mount glass and brass ceiling fixture, or merely use the recessed lighting over the headboard for a softer glow. Semi-flush mount fixtures hang down just a few inches from the ceiling, as opposed to flush mount fixtures, which are at ceiling level, and chandeliers and pendants, which typically hang further down on thin chains or poles. The chic bedroom from the Melissa Davis Group shown here has a unique metal semi-flush mount drum fixture. While chandeliers are often the traditional, crystal bedecked design, that's not the only option. Here, a gorgeous, gold, 3-tier drum chandelier adds a hefty dose of wow to this bedroom from Tatum Brown Custom Homes. Wall sconces are a great way to save space in a tiny bedroom, like the one shown here from Lindi Galloway Interiors. Plus, when the sconce has an adjustable arm, you can focus it right on your reading material, or wherever else you'd like to shine a bit more light. Everything about this eclectic bedroom is glorious, but the wonderful Sputnik crystal chandelier is the icing on the cake. From Ann Coyle Interiors, this bedroom is a study in the brilliant use of color, pattern, texture, and shine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.